I love throwing parties. And what's a party without a couple of ice-cold drinks? Here you are, my man. Enjoy. Drinks for you ladies. But if I get my ice cubes from a regular tray in my freezer, I'm not giving my guests just ice. Exposed ice, in trays or bags, can absorb odors from your freezer and even bacteria from your hands. So, if you want to make and serve drinks that really pop without all the gross extra stuff, you're gonna need this baby, the ICEBREAKER 2.0. We've reinvented the traditional ice cube tray, and now it's better than ever. It's the healthiest, sleekest, most inventive way to serve chilled drinks at home or on the go. Simply fill the ICEBREAKER Pop with water, secure the container, and with the watertight technology, you can store it literally anywhere in your freezer, upside down, in a door, or even next to that stuff that no one remembers is in there, without any risk of it spilling or picking up some pretty funky odors. Then wait about 6 to 8 hours for it to chill completely. After it's finished, simply break, shake, and pour without touching the ice once. I mean, we're not saying your hands are disgusting, but we are. This means no more messy, inconvenient ice making or ice buying for you in the future. Plus, it's better than using those single-use plastic bags that are terrible on the environment. Am I right? The ICEBREAKER Pop makes 18 large ice cubes and can be easily taken anywhere because it keeps your ice, well, ice for longer. The secret is twofold. We designed a thermo-effective container that keeps the ice chilled at room temperature when it's closed, and the all-new design of our rounded ice takes much longer to melt than regular old cubes. So, if you want to impress your friends at your next party and get your hands on the all-new patented ICEBREAKER Pop, back us on Kickstarter today.